Hello, it's Anastasia. I want to share with you in this video what plugin to choose for WordPress if you need to create forms, if your website on WordPress, and how to set it up. My website is on WordPress, that's why I show it as example. We go to plugins section and click on add new. Next you type here contact, and you could choose any of these options, but I prefer this one, WPforms. I like how it works. I never had any problems with this, any difficulties. It's easy to set it up. So it's already installed and activated. You will need just install now, click like this, but right here, and activate. Then you go to, you will see right here WPforms. You click on add new. If you click here, you will see some pro options, and pro version, as I know, it costs about $150 per year. So if you think you will need more features, you can get for you with this pro version. For me, as far it's enough. So I go to all templates and I use simple contact form, use template. Here, I prefer to keep a name in one input field, so I want to delete this one and use another one, single line text. I just drag and drop it here, replace it with your name. I copy and click it required field. On advanced tab I choose size large. I place here placeholder text, and I want to hide the label. Label is right here displayed and placeholder is inside. So I like when the form is shorter, it doesn't take extra space around the fields. It's just my preference, you can leave it like that. And then email required, and you can also create enable email confirmation. If you want to them to type it twice, but I didn't need it for this form. And we go to advanced again, large. Here inside I type email and click on hide label. Okay, smart logic is pro version option. Comment delete this and copy just the word message. I click on advanced and change it to large, placeholder message, and hide the label. Okay, one more field that I want to add is phone. This field is a fancy field, or other word, you need to get yourself pro version, you need to pay. But for me, as far it's okay to use just text, a single line. I change it here to phone. I don't need to make it required, and in advance I change to large, and here I click on phone. Next, what else we need? Hide the label. Okay, that's it. We go down and we see here submit button. You can call it any other different way. For example, what we can call, okay, website. Description I keep it blank. Or submit, you can replace it with send or order or whatever you want to, or subscribe, for example, depends on what this form is about. Here I want to enable Google invisible reCaptcha. Anti-spam protection is okay. Form class, if I will create an additional class, a CSS class for this form, I will place the name is here, and for submit button you can create another one, so you can make them different. And notification, if we go here, we see that you will receive all this form emails to your admin email, and how to understand what is your admin name. So you go to settings, general, to see your admin email is right here, settings general. So now you know, or you can just erase it and place any other emails that you want to receive your forms. You change it to like contact form request From name you can leave it like this. From email it's gonna be your admin email. Reply to, you can insert here email that user will input in your form, and then when you press in your email reply to email, it will automatically will pull it out this email of your user. Here all fields you can check and just choose some of them if you want. Usually we need them, all of them, otherwise what's the point to have them. Okay, confirmation, and here you choose what you want to display when people click on send the form message, show a different page, or go to URL, redirect. I prefer just a short message. That's it. Save. Another so now you have here your short code, and you can insert it to your page. I copy and I go to the page where I want to insert my form, for example this place, and I click on add text block first, because otherwise we cannot add this short code, and we replace the text with the short code and save, and now we can see how it looks. It looks okay, but just okay. And right here reCaptcha, how I linked my website with Google service. This is Google service. We go back to WPforms and click on settings. Here you need to choose CAPTCHA, and I choose this one. You can read about this, maybe it's better, I'm not sure. This one is free, and also it has several options. I use invisible reCaptcha. This one is checkbox when you see I'm not a robot, and this one don't remember which one, but behind scenes score system today. To advance, okay. Or if using AMP, actually my website is using AMP, so I can actually click on this one to use. And where I got the secret key and the site key and secret key, I click on type Google Captcha, click on this one, go to admin console, and then we want to create a new one. I click on create, and BereshkaWeb, for example, the name, just the label, doesn't matter, you can put any name just for you to let you know how you register this CAPTCHA. And then we choose which one. It's here is you need to type your website domain name, accept, and then you submit. You get your copy site key, click on it, it copies by itself, and we go back right here. I click it right here, and I can copy secret key, and I insert it right here. Save. That's it about reCaptcha, and now we need to set up SMTP. I don't have license, so I just launch on Stuff Wizard. Let's get started. I don't need to import data from any previous plugins, just skip this step. I don't use any of this, I just click on Other SMTP. Here I place my SMTP host. This information you can get from your hosting. I choose SSL or TLS or none. I chose SSL. SMTP username, it is a name of your email that will receive all forms, and the password to this email. From name you can type it what you like, from email same, any email that you think it's good to place here. Here you can enable any additional features, leave it like this or untoggle it. Pro options I don't use. And here, if you want to help improve, you can type your email address. I just skip this step. I don't have license, so I skip this step, and we just wait a minute. And last step, we need to check the form. Okay, thanks for continuing. I got the form to my email contact form request from BereshkaWeb Design Company to reply to the email that I, for example, we can. And here is the mail that was placed right here, phone number, test. Okay, that's it. I hope it was useful for you and interesting. Let me know if you have any questions.